The median value of the given data is, see here, this is the data. There are 10 elements. Now we have to find the median. We have done this in my earlier video number 19th. You can check that. But again we will do it because the elements are different over here. Median equals to, first step, arrange in ascending or descending order. So we will arrange in ascending, that's easier. Ascending means lowest to highest. Now this is very critical and very important. You have to do it in a very detailed way. No mistake is allowed in this arrangement. So I have arranged this. You check these elements. Now total number of elements how much? 10. So median is, this is even number of elements. When the elements are even, then the median is what? N upon 2th term plus n upon 2 plus 1 term. The whole upon 2. Now n means 10. So 10 upon 2 means 5th term. 3 plus 2, 5. 94. 94 plus next term. 94 plus means 96. Next term. N upon 2 plus 1. So 96 upon 2. So 94 plus 96 upon 2. If you do it, you will get it 95.